Hi guys, thank you very much is the first thing I've got to say to you. I've now made 1,000 subscribers. It's never been a numbers game for me. I'm not chasing viewing figures and everything else like that, otherwise I would just sit here doing box openings on the floor day in and day out and just churning out what other people have generally churned out already. No, I'm going to continue doing as I have been. That's building this layout, showing you how I've done it. It also acts as a record for me so that I can look back on how far I've come, although I know some people have turned out much bigger layouts than this in a far shorter time. That is one of the issues with living in Australia, is everything takes so long to get here when I get round to ordering it. So I shall be continuing as normal with my model railways, my full-size railways, my miniature railways, Star Wars, and a few car bits in between, just to pad it out a bit and just to keep some interest out there. So those of you who have subscribed, like again, thank you very much. Please carry on watching my videos, commenting on my videos as well, and of course any questions I will endeavour to answer. So just write stuff in the comment section below and we'll have a little chat. So anyway, enjoy your modelling. Again, thank you very much and I'll see you soon.